So hello everyone, welcome to the next video of Castle Niederalfingen or Schloss Niederalfingen in the local language. This castle is located near the village of Niederalfingen in the German state of Baden-Württemberg. It lies within the parish of Hüttlingen in the county of Ostalbkreis. The castle is easily accessible by the nearby highway B19 or Bundesstraße 19. The castle also goes by the name of Marienburg or Fuggerschloss. There are some amazing aerial shots coming towards the end of this video, so don't forget to watch till the end of this video. Let us begin with the way we reached the castle. We started out from Aalen, where we live in South Germany, and traveled north along the Bundesstraße 19. So Bundesstraße in German means state highway, so we are traveling along the state highway 19 from Aalen towards Niederalfingen via Hüttlingen. So right now you can see the town of Hüttlingen that we are right now entering. The South German towns and villages have beautiful houses with their sloped roofs. This area in particular is very wealthy. The houses are very well maintained. The people are very friendly. There is also a beautiful church that is coming up right in front of us. The church is called Holy Cross Church or Heilig-Kreuz-Kirche in German, and it's one of the important churches of this town in particular. Soon we leave Hüttlingen and start traveling towards the village of Niederalfingen. Now we are inside the village of Niederalfingen, and one can see the Castle Niederalfingen approaching on the left hand side. The castle is a typical spur castle located at the edge of a mountain along the Kocher Valley. Kocher is the river that flows from Aalen towards the northwest and joins the Neckar River that flows into Rhine. This beautiful village is surrounded by lush green forests where one can take an excursion and have an amazing outing. We are now almost reaching the castle. The castle will be on the right hand side as we arrive there. It is a huge castle which one can see from far away. The castle was built around 1050 AD as a Hohenstaufen fortification to guard the local trade routes. After 1300, it went into the possession of Lord Seckendorf. In 1386 to Count Eberhard the Jarrer of Württemberg, and in 1415 to Lord of House of Hohenheim, and later in 1551 the now mighty castle was acquired by the Fugger family from Augsburg in Bayern or Bavaria, by whom it was converted and expanded between 1575 and 1577. In 1838, the castle came into the ownership of the Kingdom of Württemberg. It eventually passed to the state, and since 1966 has been an educational and recreational facility. In the year 2000, comprehensive renovations were carried out, and it has gained its current status of a favorite tourist destination in South Germany. The castle is used today as a youth training center, a recreational facility, and rural school hall of residence. The former advocates' buildings under the castle walls now house the local history museum for the parish of Hüttlingen. Enjoy the beautiful views of the castle from here on, and soon we will begin with the aerial shots of this beautiful mighty castle. Thank you for watching this video.